Hey, Chef Dan here, and I'm here with Brandon, our salesperson out of Louisville. Hey, Brandon, if I bought a house and it didn't have a vented for my dryer, what should I do?
That's actually a really good question because it's coming up a lot more nowadays. My best suggestion is to go with a ventless dryer, but particularly one that's called a heat pump dryer. And the benefit of a heat pump dryer is it's a little bit quicker on a dry than like a typical like condensation vented dryer, which is a little bit older style. Basically what the heat pump does is it helps actually extract the moisture from the air in the dryer to help the clothes dry a little bit faster, but also more efficient, saves energy.
And you don't, so I understand it's a big energy saver, and you don't have to have, it's not vented on the outside at all. You can just stick it wherever you want.
Outside at all, yeah, no. And a lot of times, people are just like, oh, I want something for like the master closet or something, and there's nothing there. So in the case of like the meat, it would actually plug into like a regular outlet instead of like a 240 volt one.
Awesome. So, I actually have a heat pump dryer and I love it. So definitely check that out. It's a great option to put your washer and dryer in a weird spot, or if you don't have one at all.
Exactly.
Thanks so much for your time. Have a great day.
Thank you, Dan.